Hello viewers, here is a Casablanca Four Seasons 3 ceiling fan. This is in some kind of an off-white finish with light oak blades. I'm not sure what year this is from, but it's a nice fan. It's 3-speed, has the original Casablanca metal pull chain fob on there. And yeah, there's not much else to say about it. It's in pretty nice condition. Aside from a couple of scuffs on one or two of the irons, it looks pretty much new. So this is a really nice find. I got this for $15 at the Habitat. I think that's about all there is to say about it. It's not anything too exotic. So let's go ahead and start it up. It's rated for 0.85 amps. We're testing at 120.9 volts. Here's high speed. It's drawing 0.5 amps, which is considerably below what it should be. And this fan needs to not move because we're going to have a collision. It's not running very fast at all. I don't think that's doing more than maybe 160 RPM, but it's moving quite a bit of air. Actually, it's moving so much air that it's spinning this other fan, and it's going to end up having a collision, and I don't want that to happen. Is it going to have a collision? Oh no, it'll just miss it. Okay. Very quiet aside from the bearing noise. Trying to angle it away from this other fan as much as I can. It's circulating a good amount of air. It's got a pretty steep pitch to it. I think these are 14-degree irons. So it's not going to have to go too fast to move a lot of air. Of course, there's so much stuff in here, there's not a lot of room for the air to recirculate correctly. And so this will perform better in a more normal environment, but it's doing pretty good. Very, very quiet. I'm impressed by how quiet it is. We're still at 0.5 watts. Let's go down to medium. It's definitely stirring up a pretty good breeze in here. And I really like how quiet it is. We're down to 0.35 watts. Nope, 0.35 amps. This is almost like a low on the average, El Cheapo builder fan or whatever. Actually, it's still pushing a considerable amount of air. Not bad air movement at all. And it's pretty quiet still. I hear the bearings a little bit, but not too much. low. It's probably have a nice slow low with how slow the other speeds have been. It is down to 0.22 amps. That is definitely quite slow. It's a really nice low speed. And you can actually still feel air coming out of it. It's very much still a functional low even though it's going so slow. I think that's just about inaudible. Alright, we'll switch it off. And since it's already going so slow, I suppose we'll record this spin down as much as I don't like to do that.